Want to make $100 to $500 a day literally just typing? I'm going to show you an easy method of how you can make money $100 to $500 a day typing. In fact, I'm actually going to show you a special bonus to this where you can make this money without even typing. You can actually just make money speaking, okay? And you can make this much money every single day very easily. I'm going to show you right on my computer right here exactly how it works, how to sign up, who this applies to, and how you can get started earning that money right now. Let's get it. Oh my God. The second method I'm going to show you where you aren't even making money typing, it seems ridiculous, but it's real. Now, the site we're going to be discussing is called textbroker.com, and this guy's eyes are a little creepy right there. Okay, but it's textbroker.com. I should have links in the description. And if I don't have links in the description, type it into Google, okay? But basically, you're writing custom content, and the way you would get started is you go up here to I write content, okay? And right there, I write content. And what you see here is with TextBroker, you write and you earn money online. So free to register for this site. Again, they aren't making any money off of registration fees. The way they make money is they work with companies and they list them out right here. They're working with companies like Staples and eBay and, you know, whatever these other logos are. But the point is these companies are paying you and putting up the jobs to write, and TextBroker pays you, okay? Now, what do you get paid? So there's a couple different tiers here. So depending on how good of an author you are, you can get paid different levels of money. Now, you can get paid anywhere from about a cent, you know, about 1 cent per word to 5 cents a word. And notice this is like a big jump between like 1.4 cents to like 5 cents. Now, what does 1 cent a word mean? What does 5 cents a word mean? Like that's meaningless. Now let's put that into actual like hourly wage numbers just to give you an idea, okay? So the average person types at about 40 words a minute, okay? So let's say you're not typing for 60 minutes. Let's say you're typing for like, I don't know, 50 minutes, right? That's $20 an hour. Now, if you got 5 cents a word, that would be $100 an hour. Folks, I don't know how you get up to the 5 cent a word thing because I haven't actually become an author doing this and I make enough money. But the point being, if you can make $100 an hour as a writer, that is fantastic. Now, what's even better is this company will give you rewards for each milestone you hit. So you're seeing, you know, different milestones. 1,000 words, you get an extra $5. When you hit 1,000,000 words, you get a laptop bag. When you hit 10 million words, you get a 3-night trip to Las Vegas. And they give you bonuses per quarter. So this company is really working in your best interest. And this is a company you can build a large business with. And as a side note, isn't it just mind-blowing all of the opportunities there are to work for yourself? I find it so sinful that we've been taught growing up, you know, through the education system, through the media, that we have to work a job, that we have to work for a big corporation. How great is it that with the power of the internet that we can all be our own boss? And if you think that's fantastic, just type in easy money in the comments. Easy money in the comments, because I think it's fantastic, all of the opportunities available to us these days. Now let's sign up as an author. So to sign up as an author, they have the buttons right here, and we'll click author registration, and then we would click, I want to sign up as an author to earn money writing content right there. Now, sign up as an individual, and what we're seeing is there's 2 big requirements. So I said, you know, it's available to everyone. There are a lot of opportunities available to people all over the world, but this one seems to be only limited to people that are 18 years old and residents of the United States, which is another reason why. Come over to our country. We have more jobs than we have people to do them. So come over here and do this job, or if you live in America, which I think 40% of my audience lives in the United States, guys, you can start earning money with this right now. So sign up, earn $20, $100 an hour, however good of an author you are, and start earning that cash. Woo! Woo! How exciting is that? Such an easy way to make money. Now I'm going to show you how you can actually do this job without even typing, and you can actually do more words per minute than the average person or even professional typists can even type. I'll show you that in a second. But if you're enjoying this content, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell. Bum, 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 bum. Like, just slam it. You know, don't hurt your computer, but slam that notification bell, seriously, because you'll be updated. I go over new ways to make money every single day, ways you can earn money online. So you want to be updated about that. Also, you know, I run my business. I make about $1 million a month. That's revenues. I make 6 figures, you know, profit take home every month doing something called affiliate marketing. If you want to learn about how to do affiliate marketing, make sure to join the Money Club. It's $50 a month. I have a lot of exclusive content for my members, as well as I get on live with you, their live streams with me twice a month, okay? Twice a month. Instructions are click to join, and you can join the Money Club. And the Money Club, and type in Money Club if you love the Money Club in the comments, because we go over a lot of stuff. I've been doing this for years. I'm pretty good at marketing. I go over a lot of the basic stuff here, but if you want to become a millionaire, if you want to become financially free, if you want to ever hope to retire, you have to join the Money Club. You have to do some sort of sales or marketing and actually do things at scale and leverage yourself. Don't be beholden to your time. But let's check out this next tactic. You don't even have to type. And that is a very simple hack. It's called Google Docs, okay? You'll see I'm on Docs, and I just typed in docs.google.com. You see right here, okay? And we're going to Google Docs. And what we're going to do is we're just going to click Start a New Document and click blank right here. And this is a free word processor from Google. But it has a very special feature, which is what I'm going to show you right here. So let's check this out. So I'm going to go to Tools. So we're going to go right here, Tools. Make sure you click that. You're going to be surprised. And we're going to come down here, and do you see this? Voice typing. Okay? This is it. This is it. You used to have to pay. I remember the days when you used to have to pay a lot of money to have software program that did voice typing. But what you're going to select is you're going to select voice typing. And right now, my computer is using my microphone because I'm recording my screen. So it's not going to work, but I don't think it will. Oh, it works. Okay, very cool. So the point of this is, look how easy it is. You can make money typing words without even typing. Exclamation point. Oh my gosh, that is awesome. So that's how you do it. You can make money typing without even typing, and you can go a lot faster. You can speak words a lot faster than you can actually type them. So if you're stoked about this, if you want to get started, you can combine these two methods and you can type or type hundreds of words per minute. And you can get paid even more money. Even if you're at that basic 1 cent level, you can probably still earn $100 an hour if you're a basic author on the text broker platform, because you are able to speak so much faster than typing because you know a little trick. That was pretty cool. I wasn't expecting the voice typing to actually work with you know, my other microphone working. So subscribe to the channel. Hope you enjoyed this. That was pretty fun, and hope some of you take action. Remember, and let me know in the comments if you're going to take action on this. Just say I'm taking action, because I want to know if what I'm producing, you know, as a content creator, as a teacher, I want to know if what I'm putting out there is actually going to be used by you. You know, I don't want to be throwing stuff out in the air. So type in, I'm doing this, or I'm taking action, or, you know, I'm doing this is fine in the comments, because I'd like to know, do you want me to talk more about methods like this or what have you? Let me know. Now, either way, I'm going to end this same way I always end it. Drop out of school, quit your job, take control of your life. Don't let social media use you. Endless scroll. Let yourself use social media to make money from the internet. Work for yourself and do life on your own terms. Enjoy nature, kids. Have fun, enjoy your family, and see you in the next video. See you soon.